a successful day at Universal Studios. Well, excuse me, what a successful day at Islands of Adventure. Today was my first day here while living in Orlando, and wow, the things that they added. I didn't get to do much. I really came here for Velocicoaster, and did not disappoint. They stopped somewhere around 7:30, 7 o'clock, allowing you to pick what row, so I got somewhere in the middle. Second to last row. It's been a long day, but I gotta say that they did everything right on Velocicoaster. How it interacts in the spaghetti bowl, to the top hat, to how it goes over the water and does the barrel roll. Everything they did was absolutely stunning and amazing, and the best roller coaster in Florida, hands down. Hopefully Iron Gwazi does not disappoint. It's not going to, but I don't think anything's going to take away from Velocicoaster. So, but I had some B-roll shots in. Not a lot of talking tonight. I was just kind of a self-guided tour for the soul as the ferry boat goes back to, I believe, Portofino Bay. But it is an absolute stunning night here in Orlando, Florida. It's probably like 75 degrees. I'm still not used to holding the camera in public and people talking to the camera like I'm talking to myself, and people looking at me. So it's a little strange. So I have real estate class a couple more days, and then I'm gonna be taking the test. But I plan on doing one of the springs tomorrow if I can get in and I can get up early enough. If not, I'll probably do Volcano Bay Sunday. Today is Friday. Excuse me. Can't go back that way because there's a private event. So we'll go this way. So I was never good at I was never good at public speaking in school for tests or doing any assignments, getting up in front of the class. So talking to the camera in a packed theme park is very challenging. And if you want to challenge yourself, I dare you to take a camera and talk to yourself while walking in front of people that you don't know. It's wow.